Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to adjust the coilovers on your car and how easy it actually is. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to crack loose the lug nuts on your wheels. This will make it easier once you raise up the car. Next, you will want to place a jack underneath the car that is in a safe location for jacks. Once you achieve your desired height, you will place a jack stand in place. You never want to work with a jack in place of a jack stand. Now that you have the car safely in the air, you can now remove the lug nuts and remove the wheels from your car. I always suggest having a second pair of hands while you're doing one job to do the other. It just makes things easier and more efficient. With the wheels now removed, you will have access to the coilovers. Now you will want to measure from the top locking collar to the bottom locking collar for your desired height. With the desired height measured, you will want to use a cloth with your included spanner wrenches to loosen up the locking collars. Now what you'll want to do is turn the coilover to your desired height. With your cloth and spanner wrench, you'll then want to retighten your locking collars. At this point, you'll want to put your wheels back on the car and hand tighten them. You will then slowly start to lower the car. Now with the car back on the ground, you want to fully tighten your lug nuts in a star pattern like shown. And that's it. Believe it or not, it's a lot easier to adjust your coilovers than most would think.